So, before we get into my birthday vlog, I just wanted to say that I know I'm uploading this way late, okay, like months late, but it was such a fun video to like look back and watch and edit, and this will probably be one of a kind on this channel, so enjoy it. This starts my birthday vlog. So, my sisters have planned a trip for us to go to Atlanta. It's gonna be a sick time going. And let's see what they have in store. They're not slick. I knew it was something they was planning, but they didn't see. But yeah, yes. It's my birthday weekend. You know what I'm saying? Sagittarius, you know I'm an outfit. Ew, okay, hold on, that's against me or something. But I got this hat on because class I cover my ears. Jean jacket, white shirt, pants. I'm not doing it. And my waterproof Uggs. I hope that looked right. Here's my new niece. She needs to close her eyes. We made it to our destination, Atlanta. I hope I get the audio thing in there. Okay, anyway, there's a basement, so I'm about to go down here. These are the stairs. This makes my tea sauce. I almost fell the first time, but I'll show you a snap, but anyway. This is funny. Okay. What's up in here? Oh. Oh.
She looking angry.
For real. Hey. So this is a bathroom and room. Oh, it's a whole like kitchen area. Okay. Okay. Oh snap. Okay.
Hey, Joey Money, if you see this, you suck.
Wait, what? Okay. And yeah. So you can like the lighting, everything is good. It's good. Anyway. Yeah.
I should put the couch. It's so clean.
This is pretty cool. I like the setup. Like if you have a one bedroom house or something, this is what you would want. You have everything here, and then whatever goes outside. I ain't looking. I'm not going upstairs. Upstairs. Up the stairs. The stairs. The stairs. First of all, why did I say stairs that many times? Secondly, a lot of the audio in this video might be in and out because I don't know what was going on. But anyway, this is the room tour. This is the first room we had. It had 2 beds. Okay, looking nice. I see it. Second room we had. Let's turn on light. Okay, we got a little room. Okay, we got the nightstands and the curtains. Then I walked across the hall to the master bedroom. There was the bed. That was the couch / bed and TV area. Then I walked up into the bathroom. Nice bathroom. Hey. And then, you know, close-up shots. Gotta see it. Ah. Okay, then we got this room. And a bathroom. And hey. Basically it. Let's see where we're going. See what they got planned for my birthday, because they were trying to be slick with the surprise, so I want to see what they got. Hey, yeah. I got it too.
Chill.
Got it? Yeah, I got it.
Happy birthday.
Good morning. I've been up a couple hours, and last night I ate and had like a dinner. It was good. Went to Bubba's. I'm pretty sure you guys, well, some people might know the place. Anyway, I got their garlic knots and their pizza. It was so good. The bread is immaculate, and just good. Like, bread makes the pizza. Like, the crust, it was just good. And today we're supposed to be doing a safari thing. I'll see how the day goes and keep you guys updated. But yeah, let me show y'all when I don't have my headscarf on. Even though y'all can probably see a lot of this, but yeah. I never told you our final destination. I'll tell you that in the next clip. Hey guys, now I'm all the way dressed, no headscarf. Anyway, we're in Atlanta, okay? And that's, I just got a phone call. Hold on. Okay. The baby's crying, we know. But we have some events planned. We were late, but we'll see where it goes. Try to get on video. My phone is charged now. It's too much noise. Me, her. Okay, I'm done. I'm hyped, clearly very hyped. On our way, so it's raining outside. It's raining. It's gloomy. So let's see how this goes. I ain't got no hoodie. My hat, which I don't know where it is. Yeah, since it was pouring down, we did not make it to no safari, but we did still have story time. Bathroom. We're eating at Big Dave's cheesesteaks. So let's see how I like them. My cousin, auntie recommended it, and yeah. From here, we might go to art museum and do other stuff. I'm not vlogging a lot because time is getting away, but we're gonna try to get as much as we can in today, and I'm gonna try to remember to record as much because when you be going with people, you be forgetting all that stuff. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna show you guys my food when I get it. Look at my food. Let me not record people. That's in cold water ice. I hope it's really well. It's good. Yeah, it's pretty good. The closest thing we get to Ichi's. If y'all know, you know. If you don't, you don't. After we finished eating, we went to go see downtown. I got it. Okay. I got it. Get it up a little more. Get it up a little more. There you go. Hi. Okay. Should be here. I know, I should have this fake mask. I'm not fake. You can't actually do a story. I'm here. Sweaty vegan. I'm here. I'm food. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I beg you. Walked into Bloomdale side of the mall. This mall is huge. People bagging up. I don't know where they're going. Probably bagging up though. But yes, this is where we at. We're at the LENOX Mall in Atlanta. This is officially like considered Atlanta. And yeah, I don't know what else to do up in here, but it's supposed to be fun. So cute. Things for the designers. Okay. Oh, we still. No. American people. This part of the mall. Pass. This says guest. I'm not going over the island people. Whatever that is. I don't know what that is. It's athletics. We should go in there. Two things from Louis Vuitton. Can't believe. My first Louis stuff. And yeah. Bag secure. Bag secure. We're leaving. This background. Anyway, so today's our last day here in Atlanta. Yesterday we went to another place called Andretti's. The place that we ended up going last night that I did not get to vlog. Ha. Excuse me.
Hey, get money.
Okay, so now we are leaving our Airbnb, and well, I'm out of breath. And we're going. Like, dang, can I hold it? But I'm now leaving our Airbnb. Gonna have brunch, then going to be heading out. But yeah.
Trying to avoid more confrontation. I just gotta try hard.
So I swear I meant to finish this unboxing, but I don't know what happened, so I'll just make a future video, I guess. But yeah, this was me attempting to one hand unbox my bag, but it didn't happen.